Which business credit card should you get? That's exactly what we're going to dive in right now during today's training. I'm going to give you 5 of my absolute favorite business credit cards that can be used for the purpose of business credit building. These cards can be used to help you with growing your business, managing cash flow, getting cash back, all kinds of rewards and incentives, and they're helping you build business credit as well. We're going to talk about cards you can get that are subprime, some that have no credit check whatsoever, and even some of the best cards on the market for business credit building. If you have good credit as well, we got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So look, these are 5 of my top business credit cards that are used for business credit building. All of these report to one or more business credit reporting agencies. So not only will they give you different kinds of benefits, as you'll see when we dive into each one, but the most important benefit is that they're all helping you build business credit. So let's get started with number 1, which is Brex. So Brex is basically used for expense management. It's a way to actually manage expenses, manage different users of people that are using different kind of cards, and just in a way to keep an eye on your cash flow. Now, what I like about Brex is Brex reports to all 3 business credit reporting agencies. Here's why this is a really big deal. When you're building business credit, different tiers of credit become available to you the more accounts you have on your business credit reports. So our goal is to build business credit quickly, and the way that we do that is by getting approved with accounts that report to more than 1 business credit reporting agency. So if I have an account that reports to 2 business credit reporting agencies, that gives me 2 payment experiences and gets me twice as fast to the goal of adding accounts to my business credit reports to move to the next tier of credit that becomes available. Now, what I love about Brex is they report to all 3 business credit reporting agencies, Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, and Experian. So that means they give us 3 different payment experiences, which helps us build business credit even faster. Now, the other nice thing about Brex is that you can get approved without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. So you're not personally liable for the debt that's occurred using Brex. And the other nice thing is that you can get approved regardless of personal credit quality and without putting an inquiry on your personal credit report. Now, the other cool thing about Brex is that you're getting 8 times points on many different things, including software, including travel, and including rideshare as well. So if you're using those kind of things, you can't beat 8 times points and get the ability to manage cash flow while building 3 payment experiences on the way to building business credit. Love Brex. It's why it's number 1 of my 5 that we're going to dive into in no particular order of importance. Now, number 2 on my list is Divi. And again, Divi is used for expense management. So it's a way that you can basically manage all of your expenses while building business credit. Now, Divi actually reports to Dun & Bradstreet and SBFE, which is the Small Business Financial Exchange. If you haven't heard of the SBFE, they're a pretty big deal. People like LexisNexis, all 3 major credit reporting agencies are part of there as vendors. And basically, the SBFE is owned by banks. Almost every major bank and credit card issuer in the country is part of the SBFE. So you're doing a lot and building a good reputation here just by actually getting approved and using the Divi account. Plus, you can get approved without a personal guarantee, no personal liability, and there's no personal credit check required either. And the other cool thing that I love about Divi is its rewards based on payment frequency. So when you're paying on time, as you should be, that's not only giving you payment experiences and helping you get a good payment score or a good business credit score, but you're also getting incentives by Divi just by paying those payments on time. Now, number 3 on my list is one of my favorite subprime credit card. It's not one of my favorite, it overwhelmingly is my favorite, and it is the Capital One Spark Card. Now, I love the Capital One Spark Card, and here's why. Because when it comes to true business credit cards that help you build business credit, like Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, like Universal Credit, when you're talking about these kind of accounts, Capital One is one of the only ones that you can get approved with in the beginning stages of your business credit building process that is subprime. Meaning even if you have consumer credit issues, you're still able to get approved with about a 600 or a 620 FICO score. Plus, they report your payments to all 3 major reporting agencies. So you're building business credit with Dun & Bradstreet, with Equifax and Experian, giving you 3 payment experiences. Plus, they're giving you 1% unlimited cash back on all of your spending. So it's just like getting a free 1% to your margin just when you're actually paying your expenses using the Capital One Spark card. So Capital One Spark card, great for business credit building and one of the best subprime starter cards on the market. That brings me to number 4. Now, number 4 is Chase. And Chase is a prime credit card. So you need to have good credit in order to get approved with Chase. But the nice thing is that you can get 1.5% cash back on like basically all of your spending. So now we're even increasing that incentive just by spending like you normally would. You're able to get 1.5% cash back. Plus, the account reports to Dun & Bradstreet. So D&B is the biggest business credit reporting agency in the world, and you're building credit with the #1 largest business credit reporting agency in the world just by actually using the Chase Inc. card. Plus, there's no annual fee, and if you spend like $6,000 within the first few months of having the card, they'll even give you a $750 welcome bonus, which is super cool. It's one of the many reasons that I love this Chase Inc. card. Now, that brings me to number 5 on my list, and again, it's one more expense management card, and this is offered through a company called Ramp. Now, again, you're able to get approved without a personal guarantee and without a personal credit check. And again, you're getting an account that reports to all 3 business credit reporting agencies. So that's giving you 3 payment experiences, helping you build business credit even faster. Plus, they're giving you 1.5% automatic cash back on all of your purchases. What? We're building business credit with 3 different reporting agencies and getting 1.5% cash back? Plus, the other cool thing is Ramp integrates with all different kinds of accounting platforms like QuickBooks, NetSuite, Xero, and many others. So this is fantastic for a growing business. So there you have it. There's 5 of my favorite business credit cards that will work for you. If you're trying to figure out which business credit card you can get, well, here's 5 to choose from that will help you do all types of things like just normal, ordinary day spending to actually covering all different types of management of expenses and getting all kinds of incentives, cash back, and rewards at the same time. Make sure you take advantage of these 5 cards. And by the way, if you want access to even more accounts to help you build business credit, you can get them at creditsuite.com/EIN. That guide has been downloaded over 1 million times. It's like the business credit building Bible. So make sure you check it out. And if you got value from this training, smash the like button and subscribe, and keep your eye out for our next training where we talk about more cool ways to get the money you need to start and grow your business.